Hello, my friends. This video we're making loubia, a classic Moroccan bean stew that's a staple of Moroccan kitchen. Tips: soak the beans overnight and place a piece of bread in the soaking water to help reduce gas. Now let's start by finely chopping the onion. Add it to the soaked beans. Ground coriander. Ground cumin. Turmeric. Some bay leaves. A few rosemary leaves.
Place the pot over medium heat and stir continuously for a few minutes. Add a drizzle of olive oil and keep stirring. Next, add one chopped tomato and continue cooking, stirring until everything softens. And looks like this. Then pour in enough water to cover the beans. Add 2 to 3 more chopped tomatoes, and bring it to a good boil. Finally, cover the pot tightly and let it cook until the beans are tender. Next, blend the tomatoes until smooth and pour them into the pot. Stir everything together, then let it simmer for a few more minutes before covering the pot again. Once the beans are tender and the sauce has thickened, your Moroccan Loubia is ready to serve. Enjoy and bon appetit! Pot of food. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and follow for more delicious recipes.